Hello! I am so glad you're here. Let's explore this magical world together. Welcome to Susan Dreams, where every day brings a new adventure. Come on, let's learn, laugh, sing, and dream together. Are you ready? Let's begin! Wow! Everyone looks so happy today. Today is August 15th, but why do we celebrate Independence Day? I want to know. Whoa! Come with me, Dolly, and discover the story of India's freedom. Let's go! We have traveled back in time to learn about India's history. Why does everyone look worried?
For many years, India was ruled by the British, and many Indians wanted their country to be free.
Let's look back at our history. Were they all fighting with weapons?
No, many fought peacefully.
No, Dolly. Many freedom fighters chose courage, unity, and peaceful ways to stand up for their country.
They really loved India.
Yes, they dreamed of a free India.
Who is he?
That is Mahatma Gandhi,
He encouraged people to stand up for
India's freedom through truth and non-violence.
So being brave doesn't always mean fighting. That's right, Dolly. Courage can also mean standing for what is right peacefully. Let's turn the pages of history.
To meet the brave heroes of India and many others who stood for freedom.
There were so many brave people,
Yes, India's freedom was a long journey.
and many people made sacrifices for their country. We should remember them.
Yes, we remember their courage and their love for India.
Wow, where are we going now?
August 15th, 1947.
Is this the day India became independent?
Yes, on August 15, 1947, India became independent from British rule.
Now I understand why August 15 is so special. Dolly! Where were you? I went on a magical journey through India's history. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th. India became independent on August 15, 1947, India's freedom. But do you know something else? Freedom also means responsibility. We should respect one another. We should be kind. India is our home, and we should take care of our home. Today I learned something very important. Freedom is precious. We should remember the brave people who helped India become free. And we should use our freed things. We love India! We respect our freedom. We respect our freedom. Happy Independence Day! Today is a very special day. Let's celebrate our freedom. It is our Independence Day. Happy Independence Day! You did it, little dreamers. Thank you for learning and having fun with me today. Keep smiling. I'll see you in our next adventure. Bye-bye, little dreamers.